everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great Christmas Eve and I'm wishing a Merry Christmas to all of you. So in today's video I'm going to show you what I have got on Christmas Day. There are some gifts which I got from my husband and there are some stuff which I bought it for myself. I like to pamper myself. Okay, now first of all I need to get rid of this balloon, so go away. Better. Okay guys, before I show you what I have got for Christmas, I really want to show you this robe of mine. I really love this robe. It's very comfortable and it's very beautiful. I also got this robe on a holiday time, maybe last year from Macy's. Really good. And I also love this headgear. My husband bought it for me. Now when it comes to Christmas and when it comes to gifts, we all love gifts, but I would like to share something, guys. So it doesn't matter to me that how small and how big the gift is. The thing which matters the most to me is the love. So if somebody give me a candy or any small stuff but with full of love, that thing definitely very dear to me, because love is everything, guys. So when you are giving gifts to your near dear ones on Christmas, never think about the price or never think about that you just need to buy the most expensive gifts. Just buy whatever you feel like, but just buy with full of love. So this is something I wanted to share with you. Now let me show you what I have got from my husband. So I'm really very happy. Whatever he gifted me, it's really very cute and very useful at the same time. So the very first thing which I'm going to show you is a greeting card, because I love greeting cards. I mean, I'm so fond of greeting cards that sometimes I just buy greeting cards without any reason. I mean, now that we have so many apps and so much of technology, but I still love greeting cards, and my husband knows this. He knows very well that greeting cards are something which makes me very, very, very happy. So I'm not going to show you what he wrote inside, but I'm going to show you this. This is the greeting card he gave me in the morning. Lucky to have you. I really love the message, what he wrote inside, and I really love the color because pink is my favorite color. I really love this. Next gift is this cup. I love buying teacups. Again, he's my husband, so he knows this, that how much I love teacups. So he gifted me this, again pink in color, and the message is good morning sunshine. And guys, this holiday the one thing which I try not to buy is the cups, because cups are my weakness. Whenever I see beautiful cups with great messages, I always like, I need one. But this year I tried to control, because I thought that I already have so many cups. So I'm so happy that he gifted me this, and he also said that I know that you wanted to buy a cup this year for holiday time and you didn't buy. I'm very impressed, but here is your cup. So very, very happy. These little things makes me so happy, so happy. So next thing which he gifted me is this. So this is a Perfect Pedi exfoliating sheet socks. So guys, I have a dry feet issues, especially in the winter. So how thoughtful. I mean, he saw this and he thought that my wife really need this. I definitely gonna try and I gonna enjoy this, I know, because guys, that I'm so passionate about skincare and he knows that. Next, he dropped these face masks inside the stockings, all kind of masks. I'm going to try all of these for sure. Now next gift which he gave me, I'm so proud of him, and guys, I cried because he just like made me so happy. He spoiled me. So he bought me this cap. It's winter time and sometimes it's very chilly outside, so I do not have the proper cap or proper hat. So he bought me this. It's really a very warm cap. I already tried it. I love this. Now the next thing which he gifted me, it's a very heavy stuff from ESPA. This is a British brand, and see how pretty this box is. Okay. Oh, so heavy. So now I'm going to remove this cover. And see guys, look at this. Ow, so heavy. So you have to open from here, and there's another section here full of stuff. So let me show you what I have got here. So first of all, this little card. Now this is the first box. Look at the packaging, how beautiful. So one is a cleansing milk and the other one is hydrating lotion. I am very happy. The second one is this, and again the packaging is so good. So this is the oil guys, and this is the body scrubber I guess, because it's like purifying polish. And this one is grounding crystals, I'm sure for the bathtub. And this is pretty heavy. This is a nourishing balm. I'm so impressed, and I know about this brand, and this range of this brand is pretty expensive, and it's full of natural ingredients and full of like Ayurvedic ingredients. So this brand is cruelty free and free from harmful chemicals, that I know. Also we got this free gift with this box. So here, this is the free gift set we got from this box, and what is inside I'm going to show you. So I think this is a bath and body travel sizes. This is a shower gel, and Chloe also wanted to see. This is a hair mud, hair mask I guess. Then this is some kind of a serum, and then there's a skin rescue balm, and then there's a overnight hydration. Next stuff which I bought it for myself is this from Aurelia. This is a gift set. And guys, when it comes to skincare, I did most of the shopping on Black Friday, because Black Friday is a time when skincare brands give really good deals. So it's really tight, oh my god. Okay, this is the packaging. Originally the price of this box was like $80 something, but I spent maybe less than $50 because it was like a some kind of a Christmas deal, and I was like, I need to buy. So this is the inside packaging. Guys, when they pack the things very beautifully, it's very hard for me to open because I'm a sucker for packaging. So I got two moisturizer here, one for the daytime and one for the night time. Both are 30 ml, so it's a good amount. So this I got for Christmas because I love Aurelia and I love their moisturizers. Also, I got this book from them, and 20% discount code also here. Of course. Okay, the next is from Pat McGrath Lab. So this is a great deal I found. I mean, I got the mail and I was like, okay, I need this. So we all know that when it comes to packaging, these lipstick from this brand excels. Originally, the cost of this lipstick is $38, but I just spent $12. So for the two lipstick, I just spent $24. So great deal I got here. So really happy. And the color I got, this one is Vendetta. This is a red color. The other one is this Mac Minami, I guess. Now let me open one of them. I mean, we all know that we are paying most of the time for the packaging, because as you know, the packaging of this lipstick is really very cute. This is the color. And guys, I'm not going to open the other one because I think I'm going to give the other one to my sister. So that's why I'm not going to open. So great deal I got here. Now the last item which I'm going to show you is this. It's a hand cream from Biosense. So guys, when it comes to hand creams, I'm not very fond of hand creams. I bought hand creams when there is like something comes free from Sephora, or if there is some kind of a good deals they are giving to you, that's the only time I can buy hand creams, but otherwise I'm not very fond of. I bought this cream because originally this cream cost you $16, but I just paid $5 because there was some discount, and if you can open some kind of a crew account on Biosense, they are giving you $5 worth points, so you can use your points, and I used my points. So after using my points, I spent just $5, so great deal here. So that's it guys, these are the things I have got for Christmas from my husband and from myself, and I hope you like this video. Now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.